Hello, my name is Pascal Carvalho, and I will be explaining the Module 4 extra credit problem, which is when water freezes, what happens to the surrounding air. So, firstly, we just have to understand what it means for water to freeze. So, we all know that when water freezes, it goes from liquid water to ice, but in reality, it's when the temperature drops to a specific point, which is 32 degrees Celsius, and it releases enough heat to change the state of matter. So here I have is a graph of how the changing of the states of matter actually looks. So you start with the steam temperature, and when the temperature decreases enough, water begins to condensate, and then you have liquid water. And once the water temperature decreases enough, it begins to freeze. So as you can see here, when water condensates and when water freezes, the temperature does not actually drop, but the water still gets quote unquote colder. And this is due to latent heat, which is the heat of freezing energy. It's the energy related to the freezing process, basically, or the condensation process. So it's the heat that's released in the process of condensating or freezing in order for the water to actually change the form of matter. So at the point when water freezes, it doesn't actually decrease from 32 degrees Fahrenheit until after it is solid ice, and then it begins to decrease more. So because there's latent heat that's being emitted during the freezing process, the surrounding air actually becomes warmer.